So one of the things that I'm passionate about in my curriculum is teaching men and women how to dialogue with their internal masculine and their internal feminine. Because what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to really uh, disengage this sort of gender separation. Because the masculine isn't a man and the feminine is not a woman. We both have those energies, the feminine and the masculine, and we are here to move formless into form through our desires. So it's actually the feminine, the internal feminine, who is in charge of really discovering what she wants, how she wants her life to look, what are the things that she's really passionate about, and to be honest, because she is going to actually download the internal masculine, all of these things, and it's actually up to the internal masculine to receive this information, take divine inspired action, that perfect timing thing, in order to assist in manifesting whatever it is, formless into form. And so this dialogue, it takes place. You can do it on your own. You can choose different kinds of pillows and have fun with it. A feminine pillow, a masculine pillow, and also we have the witness, because the witness is actually the integration of the masculine feminine. It's the wise one that blends the two together, marries them together, and has all of the source contained within it. And it's a beautiful thing to watch. And the discoveries that I get to witness with clients and students engaging this process is phenomenal. It is just so incredibly powerful, and it doesn't cost money. It's fabulous.